Не могу следить. Окей, готов. Hello guys, my name is Anna and this is EnRu Language School. Today the topic of our video is supermarkets vocabulary. That's why we are going to the shop right now. Come with us. So, to put all your purchases, you might want to use the basket or a shopping cart. So the first section is fruit and vegetables. Here you can find some spices. Here is the section of household items. Here is the section of pasta and rice, where you might want to buy this. If you want to buy some water, juice, lemonade or Coke, you will go to the beverage section. All the products made of milk are in dairy section. If you want to buy some ketchup or mayo, you can find it in condiments section. Frozen mushrooms, pizzas and vegetables you can find in frozen food. In the bakery you can find bread and freshly baked bread. Beef, chicken, fish and mince you can find in meat and fish section. All the food that is already prepared for eating is called ready-made food. At the checkout, you might pay for your food and take the paper bag or a plastic bag. Subscribe to our channel to know many different words on various topics and don't forget to like this video. See you in next videos. Stay safe.